E, sometimes appearing as or E, is a San Francisco-based indie rock band that formed in 1999 by former Korea Girl guitarist, vocalist Tobin Mori and bassist Jay Chow, Chou. Earlier band members included Peter Newman, Sooyoung Park, and Thom Morrison, and were later replaced by Peter Nguyen on drums, and longtime team member Sooyoung Park on lead guitar and keyboard. All members of E are Asian American. They recorded their debut album, Ramadan, in the fall of 1999 and released it on Currycore Records. After some lineup changes, E released an EP and second album For 100 We Try Harder, on Asian Man Records in 2002. Discography: Ramadan, 2001. Curry Records, Tiny Spot EP, 2002. Asian Man Records, For 100 We Try Harder, 2002. Asian Man Records, Capital Plans, 2006. Actually Records, Entry for AllMusic.com. E on MySpace. E, another Asian gangster band. Tobin Mori talks about showbiz and indie rock. Asian Week.com. March 9–15, 2001. Interview with E. Rock and Roll Vibe Model Minority Korean Pop. Org. June 2002. Mori's new shoegaze collaboration, Sky Camp.